Can I sit where you are now? Can I sit where you are? Can you scoot a little bit? Yeah, can I scoot a little bit? Can you move a little bit so mommy can sit? Mommy will sit, okay? Mommy will sit. Give a little space. No? No? You don't need to smell my laptop. Oh, where are you going? Evans, where are you going? Okay, now you sit with mommy. Sit with mommy. Yeah, sit with mommy. Okay, you go under. Yeah, good boy. Yeah, good boy. Yes, good boy. Yeah, you share with mommy. Yeah, good boy.